All right, new fans. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's get this one in. Let's see. Email, password. All right. Go ahead and create that account. This time we're going to go ahead and do the artist side of it. Excuse me. On the artist side, the features push notification to notify your fans of new releases, schedule live events, sell music directly to your fans, own the data to your fan base, get paid monthly, and access to 100% of your subscribers. These are the plans that you can select. But for right now, for the artists and everybody to get into this application, because it's in testing, you have an opportunity to be able to gain free access along with being able to utilize the application and reach your fans free of charge as of this far. That's limited time. Be careful with that one. Really pay attention for limited time. Free access. Similar as the fan, you're going to go ahead and upload your photo, your name, your handle, your date of birth. Let's see, telephone number. Country you in. State. And then your favorite genre. Oh, so be careful with that. If there's any issues with the handle, it's because there's a space in the front, a space in the back. Make sure it's just the letters in the box. Boom. This one, you're going to want to enter links. Discord, YouTube, Spotify, your profile link, your artist name, and this is for your artist profile, what genre you are. Oh, all right. Now, we'll go back later and then finish the rest of that stuff with your own information on your NewFans page if you're an artist. At the home, you need to search for new releases, recently viewed artists. For you to be able to set up events. Over here, you had a playlist over here for your library. And then on the back end, over in the profile side, this is where you get to go back to take care of the rest of your artist profile, your album. You're adding your album, you get a free download to your buyers, make contests, create events, manage your events, view your fans. This is Stripe. Stripe settings is where you actually get paid.